Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope things are going well for you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. It'd be really cool. My channel is forever under 2K, which is fine. But if you give me a little love, maybe I can get up to 2K. That'd be cool. But I'm not going to lose sleep over it. What I am going to do is unbox my Boxycharm by Ipsy. That's the thumbnail. So let's get in here. It's quite hefty, and even though I pick things out, I always forget what I pick out and what's coming. And this is from my main Boxycharm Ipsy account. Oh, this is nice. Find Your Groove. It's a little booklet. And the last Mega Drop shop is going to be Monday 10/9. That's good to know. I'm telling you that the Mega Drop shop isn't half as good as it was once they merged with Ipsy. And oh look, it tells me what things are and what they're worth. So I'll be able to add it up. See the value of this about $30 box with shipping and taxes and stuff. But that's very cool. Those are the power picks. Oh, so it doesn't tell me everything, but power picks. All right, let's get in here and see what we have. I thought it was giving me everything. Ooh, but there's a lot of stuff in here. Woohoo! And there is an add-on that I bought. Commodity Gold, which is a fantastic perfume. Commodity is a great perfumery. They make fantastic products. And I got this for a Christmas present, and I can't wait to give it to them because it's super nice. So this was like $18, and I had $3.50 off, so it was like $14.50 or $15.50 or some crap like that. So I got this at a steal. Very nice. I'll put it over here with my other things that I have set aside for later. So we still have plenty of good stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count. So sad. I can't tell you the value of this, but this is from Kate Somerville. Skin Health Experts Peptide K8 Power Cream. Let's take a peek-a-loo. Oh, I'm opening it from the bottom. Let's open it from the top, shall we? And Kate Somerville is a great brand of skincare, and this is a nice hefty it's a plastic casing, but it's got a lot of product in it. It's got a lot of heft to it, so it feels very expensive, and it looks great. So that's wonderful. I'm really excited about that. That's probably going on my Mercari. You can get a good deal of it on my Mercari, and I'll put a link for that up for you. Next we have from Kate Berkey, who's another great skincare brand. Reversal Retin C Treatment Complex. And this is, retinol is great to help your skin, and vitamin C is also great to brighten your skin. I use a vitamin C treatment every night, and I think it does a good job with my skin. And this is a beautiful packaging, very hefty. It's a nice full size, and it is super nice. Once again, Mercari. Now we have from Danessa Myricks Beauty, the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. And this is sealed, and I'm going to keep it sealed. No, I'm not. I'm going to open this one because I got one in my other box coming, which is the violet one, but this is the one that I wanted the most, which is the green one. tough to open. But you know, nobody's messed with it because there's the plastic on it. And it's a much shorter pencil than I expected. And it's a duochrome. And this is in jade. And I was really interested in beautiful, beautiful packaging. Look at that. Let's do a little swatch on my hand to see what it looks like. You can see it's got a little green shift, and you can't see the purple shift, but it's really pretty. And that is going with my other eyeliners. So very nice. Vanessa Myricks makes great quality products. I'm super excited to have that. And that's, I know, like 22 bucks. From Yensa, we have the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. So this is pretty much a skin and hair care. We got a hair care product in there. Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. And Yensa, I believe it's Korean Beauty. And it is full up to about here. But it is full size, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. And this is a peptide renewal cream, which is great for your skin. So this is another good skincare. You know, I don't mind getting skincare, but I would like more makeup. The eyeliner is really cool though. But there's just not a lot of makeup in this box, just the eyeliner. And then we have from Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. And I can't wait to try this out because I have color treated hair. Duh, Rhonda, we know. We see you color treat your hair at least 4 times a year. And look at that. It's a nice glass bottle. No wonder this box felt so heavy with all these nice heavy products. It feels great. I'm gonna see what it smells like. Oh, it smells good too. That is super nice. And it says, give your main, let me put some glasses on. I'm challenged. It says, give your mane a burst of intense moisture and softness. Leave-in treatment deeply hydrates damp or dry strands overnight, resulting in silkier looking hair. Use, apply on damp or dry hair before bedtime. Spread a pump in the hands and distribute over from mid-lengths to ends. No need to rinse in the morning. Excellent. I'm very excited about that. So that is nice. So everything I've gotten, where was I born? A yard? A barn? I'm not sure. But everything I've got this month is nice. This is a great hair product. Nice Korean Beauty. Some more skincare. Some more skincare. Skincare anybody, and the eyeliner. So I don't like such skincare heavy boxes, but at least it's nice skincare, and it's not just stuff that I've never heard of. So it's an okay box. It's okay, and you'll see some of this on Mercari. I'll put my link down below. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we thank you so much for stopping by.